Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you something truly special, a machine that embodies the raw energy, bold design, and unique character of New York City itself. Presenting the Brooklyn Beast 2025, a motorcycle that blends power, style, and innovation in a way that commands respect on every street it touches. This bike is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about creating an unforgettable riding experience. The Brooklyn Beast stands tall as a symbol of strength and individuality, crafted for riders who want more than just a ride, they want a statement. The design of the Brooklyn Beast 2025 captures the essence of urban dominance. Its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and muscular bodywork give it a striking presence on the road. Inspired by the industrial heartbeat of Brooklyn, this bike has been engineered with details that make it stand out day or night. The LED headlamps offer a futuristic look while providing outstanding visibility, and the aerodynamic frame ensures a smooth balance between speed and stability. Every angle of the Brooklyn Beast screams performance and style, making it one of the most eye-catching bikes of 2025. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, the Brooklyn Beast packs an engine that roars with authority. Powered by a high-performance engine tuned for both torque and top speed, it delivers breathtaking acceleration and unmatched road presence. Whether you are cruising down the highway, slicing through city traffic, or testing its limits on open roads, the Brooklyn Beast responds with unmatched precision. Its refined gearbox ensures seamless shifting, while the advanced suspension system keeps the rider in control even on the toughest terrains. This bike is built for thrill seekers who demand both speed and reliability. One of the standout features of the Brooklyn Beast 2025 is its integration of modern technology. Riders are welcomed with a fully digital display that keeps all vital stats right at their fingertips. From speed, fuel efficiency, and gear position to navigation and connectivity options, everything is designed to keep you informed and in command. With smart riding modes, the bike adapts to different environments, whether it's city cruising, sport performance, or long-distance touring. Safety has also been given top priority with features like ABS, traction control, and cornering assist that work together to make every ride secure yet exhilarating. Comfort is another area where the Brooklyn Beast shines. The ergonomically designed seat ensures long rides feel effortless, while the positioning of the handlebars and footpegs strike the perfect balance between comfort and control. Even at high speeds, the bike remains stable and gives the rider full confidence. The exhaust system has been specially tuned to deliver a deep, throaty note that matches its beastly character. It's not just a bike, it's an experience that ignites the senses. In terms of customization, the Brooklyn Beast offers plenty of options for riders to make it truly their own. From color schemes inspired by New York's vibrant culture to accessories that enhance performance and style, this motorcycle can be tailored to fit the personality of its owner. It's a ride that doesn't just blend into the city, it dominates it. The Brooklyn Beast 2025 isn't just a machine, it's a lifestyle. It's for riders who thrive on adventure, who love the freedom of the open road, and who want a bike that turns heads everywhere it goes. It's the perfect combination of raw power and cutting-edge design, representing the bold spirit of Brooklyn. This is not just transportation, it's transformation. Riding the Brooklyn Beast makes you feel alive, confident, and unstoppable. So if you're looking for a motorcycle that captures the thrill of speed, the style of New York, and the innovation of the future, the Brooklyn Beast 2025 is the answer. This bike is made for those who are not afraid to stand out, those who want to ride with pride, and those who demand the very best from their machines. From its design and performance to its technology and comfort, the Brooklyn Beast proves that it's more than just a name, it's a legend in the making. That's all for today's detailed look at the Brooklyn Beast 2025. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, deep dives, and exclusive coverage of the most incredible bikes and cars from around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland 2025 for more thrilling content. I'll see you in the next video.